afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody. So, Praveen sir is going to Warangal as a vice principal, but I remember him as a PGT Maths because he is my colleague for almost 5 years. More than 5 years. Okay. So before that also I know him because we used to go to NLA Rangareddy or Kachboli school for various courses or training programs. At that time we used to see him. So I know him earlier also, but I worked with him here for more than 5 years. Okay. So anyway, congratulations, sir. I hope you will do well there and successful. Right.
In your previous school, sir, you are not telling.
I don't. Wherever I work, that is my school. Brilliant.
You also work there.
Then I work in my school also.
Sir, Yogi sir.